Can I show you this piece then?
Why do you want it? Which one do you mean?
The tripod.
It's in my bag.
Is it in a box?
Yeah. Fly went past camera there. Batteries are already inside it.
Oh.
Very minute. That's it. So Simon, explain what that is to a camera, just simply.
Well, it's a tri-field meter. It'll pick up magnetic. It'll pick up, if I can see,
Ion in it. Magnetic.
Electrostatic and ion, or radio frequency and microwave. It's on magnetic at the moment. It's a bit close to the phone.
So what's that doing there, Simon?
It's picking up magnetic particles, things like that, and that furnace it'll pick up as well on the floor. The other one's electrostatic, which is picking up me at the moment. It's mainly picking up people.
Yeah, it's picking up me. You alright then?
Yep. Keep picking it up down there, but
What, in that corner?
yeah, can't pinpoint it.
Have you seen all, like literally, or is it just feelings? You alright?
Yeah.
Did you get out on camera like when you were walking
No,
out?
coming back through,
Oh yeah.
but and when I switched it off and put light on, I couldn't see anything. Have you all picked anything else up?
Absolutely nothing. The only thing I've picked up is a fly. So it won't earn all of that. We've experienced no lights yet, because supposedly there's been a light spotted at the main tower.
Right.
Well, I'll correct myself there. Folly, I think it is.
So that's that other place, isn't it?
Yeah. You up? Okay, mate. Where have you got out?
Just same managers, mate. We're just moving about, that's it.
Whereabouts? Or the...
Just round here, there's one in front here. And the other one's behind it.
Have you picked up if the female or male?
That's the strangest bit. I'm not picking up what sex they are. I'm just picking up the energies.
There were no boat went by you then, Glenn.
Well,
He literally circled around you. Most likely a fly though.
Flash.
I'll have to look back.
You got out in there, has it? Inside there?
I've got one on outside here. Nothing inside, but on right back at the other side.
Is it picking up infrared? Come towards this, see if it picks up infrared.
Well, it's picking up you, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you think it's sensitive?
Oh yeah, it's really sensitive.
What setting's that on now?
This is on... yeah.
That's Amy.
That was on electrostatic.
Electrostatic. So that's what a normal meter is, that, innit? Electrostatic.
No, it picks up radio frequency microwave, isn't it?
Oh, right.
It's really sensitive.
Best place for that is when you're alone, or when you're doing a seance and everyone stays still, or when you're doing EVP and everyone stands still and asks questions. To treat it like a Frank's box, like you say, is there someone there, and it might trigger it. But I think we need to do a bit more research into it, into how to use it. That one don't interfere with that, done it?
Radio...
Free, yeah. You don't zero or adjust that. So what's that picking up now?
my phone's still. Pretty lights.
Yeah, aren't they?
Yeah.
What's it picking up there though?
This is pretty magnetic again.
Alright.
Bag's going down, don't trip over it.